Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Zazita Sehgal, your math teacher, and today we are going to start with the cube roots, your chapter number 4. Cubes done, then now it's a cube root. Now we have done in the cube like 8 is a cube of 2. जब आप 2 को 3 times multiply करते हो तो 8 is cube of 2. Right? 8 is cube of 2. Then what is 2? 2 क्या है? 2 is cube root of 8. The number that is multiplied thrice, it is called cube root. So 3 cube is 27. So what is the cube root of 27? Cube root of 27 is 3. 3 is cube root of 27. Now the question is how to find this cube root. ये cube root find कैसे करना है? Square root find करना आता है सबको? क्या करते हैं? Prime factorization करते हैं. Then we do the pairing and thereafter from each pair we multiply one factor and that factor is called the square root. Similarly, to find the cube root we will do the prime factorization and in that prime factorization we will then make a group of three same factors and then from each group we will bring one factor and then multiply it and we will get cube root. So let's see one example. Example is 3375. We have to find its cube root. I was about to say square root. So now first of all do the prime factorization of 3375. I think it will start with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Again, 3 3s are 9, 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 3, 1, 2, 5, 5, 25, 5, 5. Yes. So, prime factorization of 3375 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. To find cube root of 3375, we have to make of group of 3 identical prime factors. Now from each group we will take one factor and multiply it, then we will calculate the cube root. Now cube root is written like this. 3375. Now this is the radical sign and here 3 is mentioned. You have to very careful. If you will not write anything here, अगर यहाँ पे आप कोई digit mention नहीं करोगे तो by default it will be taken as a square root. So you have to mention it 3 that this is a cube root. So cube root of 3375 is 3 into 5, 15. This is your answer. So cube root of 3375 is 15. It means 3375 is cube of 15. Got it? Let's take one more example and this time it is a negative perfect cube. अब negative perfect cube का cube root कैसे calculate करना है? Let's see. We have to calculate cube root of minus 15625. What we will do? We will bring this minus sign out of the radical sign. So we will write it like minus cube root 15625. We can calculate cube root of positive number only. That's why we have kept minus sign outside the radical sign. Now we will do the prime factorization of minus 15625. 15625. 5 3s are 15. 5 on the 5, 2s are 10, 5 are 25, 30, 2, 5, 5, 125, 5, 25, 5, 5s are and 5, 1. So what are the prime factorization? It is 6 times 5. To mention 3, it is very important to write 3 here. Now 5 into 5 into 5. To 5 into 5 into 5. Now make a group of 3 factors. From each group, 1 5 will be out. 5 into 5. We have two groups, 1 5 from here, 1 5 from here. Then we will multiply these factors. Then cube root of minus 1 5 6 2 5 is minus 25, and minus 25 is the answer. Clear? Got it? When we are calculating cube root of negative perfect cube, keep negative sign outside, and thereafter find the cube root, and answer will be minus 25, negative 25. Clear? Now the type of question next is cube root of products of integer. Now here product is given and cube is mentioned, 3 is mentioned. It means we have to find cube root of this product. How to find? Either you can separate these two integers, आप इसको अलग अलग कर सकते हो, cube of 64 into cube of 729, और आप इसको एक साथ भी कर सकते हो. अंदर ही फैक्टराइज करो आप रूट के, और ग्रुप्स बनाकर फिर आप इनको ग्रुप से एक एक फैक्टर बाहर निकाल के आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. दोनों मेथड देखते हैं. बाय नाउ वी आर क्लियर कि 64 इज क्यूब ऑफ 4. कर करके प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है ना. नाउ 64 इज क्यूब ऑफ 4 and 729 is cube of 9. Now 3 and 3 cube root will be cancelled. 4 into 9, answer is 36. So cube root of 64 into 729 is 36, and or you can do like this also. Cube root of 64 into 729. 64 is cube of 4, 729 is cube of 9. So it will be, you have done powers and exponents. When they are same exponents and multiplication sign in between, you can write like this. So it will be 36 cube. Cube and cube will be cancelled, and your answer is 36. Clear? Now this was the product. Now here it is in division. Let's see how to do it. Again here it is a negative integer. So what we will do? We will take this negative sign outside the radical sign. This sign is called radical sign. Minus cube root of 729 and 125. So we can separately write numerator and denominator. Cube root of 729 and cube root of 125, and again 729 is cube of 9, 125 is cube of 5, 3 and 3 will cancel, so what is left? 9 by 5, minus 9 by 5 is the answer. So the product and division cube root will be found in this way. So now next we are going to find cube root of decimal numbers. Now we are going to find cube root of decimal numbers. For decimal number, here first example is 0.027. What we have to do? First of all, we will convert decimal number into fraction. So it is 27 by 1000. Now we have to calculate its cube root. So we will calculate its cube root. Now 27 is the cube of 3. 1000 is the cube of 10. We can write like this, 3 by 10 cube, and cube and cube root will be cancelled. The answer is 3 by 10, and it is 0.3. Fraction again converted into decimal. Now 1.331, we have to calculate its cube root. Again convert them into fraction. 1331 by 1000. Cube root of 1331, it is cube of 11, and 1000 is cube of 10, and thereafter cube root 11 by 10 cube. Cube and cube root will be cancelled, and answer is 11 by 10, and in the decimal form it is 1.1. So cube root of 1.331 is 1.1. Now we have done prime factorization method of finding cube roots. Now we are going to learn the another method to find cube root is to find cube root of a number by using the digit at unit place. How to use this method to find cube root? We will understand it through an example. Now the example is 91,125. We will focus on this number. Start making group of 3 digits from the right hand side. जितने 3 के ग्रुप बनते हैं इसमें पहले हम वो ग्रुपिंग करते हैं. सो ओनली वन ग्रुप ही बन सकता है इसमें. 125 और 91 इज लेफ्ट. नाउ फर्स्ट ग्रुप वी विल यूज फॉर फाइंडिंग द डिजिट एट द वंस प्लेस ऑफ क्यूब रूट, and the remaining number that is left will be used to find tens digit of the tens place digit of the cube root. So from 125, cubic number has 5 at the ones place. Now you have to guess what will be the digit at the ones place of the cube root of this number. So property number 4 we have done. If a number ends with 01469, 014569, so its cube will also end with same number. So here number is ending with 5. It means its cube root will also have same digit at its units place. So at ones place, cube root will have digit 5. Now we have to find digit at the tens place of the cube root. For that we have to consider 91. Find the largest number whose cube is either equal to 91 or less than 91. So like 4 cube. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Now 125 is greater than 91. So largest number whose cube is less than 91 is 4. 4 cube is 64. So digit at tens place will be 4. The largest digit whose cube is either equal to this one or less than this one, that will be considered as digit at the ones place. Tens place. So digit at tens place will be 4. So cube root of 91,125 will be 45. 5 will be the digit at ones place and 4 will be the digit at the tens place. Now clear? Let's understand it with one more example. It is 19683. 19683. Now the first step is to make group of 3 digits from the right hand side. So 683. This first group will be used to find the digit at ones place of the cube root. Ones place पे कौन सा digit है? 3. तो ones place पे cubic number में 3 कब आता है? जब उसके cube root में कौन सा digit हो? 7 होना चाहिए. Property number 6. A number ending with digit 7, its cube ends with digit 3. So the digit at ones place will be 3. Now the next one is we have to find the digit at tens place. What is left now? 19. So largest number whose cube is either equal to 19 or less than 19. So cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. So now cube of 3 is greater than 19. We are not going to take it. So we will take this one. 2 cube is equal to 8. It means digit at tens place will be 2. So digit at tens place will be 2. So cube root of 19683, digit at ones place will be 7. So cube root of 19683 will be 27. This is your answer. Correct? What we have done? For any number whose cube root we have to find by the other method, that is not prime factorization method, by the unit digit method, we will first do the grouping of 3 digits from the right hand side, and this first group will be used for finding the digit at the ones place of the cube root. तो इसका आपने फर्स्ट प्लेस देखना है 3, क्यूबिक नंबर पे 3 तब आता है जब उसके क्यूब रूट में क्या हो 7 होना चाहिए एंड प्लेस पे. सो वंस प्लेस पे कौन सा डिजिट आएगा 7. नाउ द रिमेनिंग नंबर इज यूज्ड फॉर फाइंडिंग टेंस प्लेस डिजिट नंबर. How to find? We have to find a number whose cube is either equal to this or less than this, and that number will be the digit at the tens place of the cube root. So 19, so 2 to the 4 to the 8, 27 is the greater than 19, so we will go for cube of 2, 8, so digit at the tens place will be 2, and 27 is the cube root of 19683. Okay, these are the concepts that are related to your exercise 4.2. Let's solve few questions related to the cube root. By this we will learn applications of cube root. Now this is the question, simplify. Cube root 0.125, cube root 0.008 plus cube root 0.064. Focus here digit 3 is mentioned. When here digit 3 is mentioned, it means you have to find cube root of the number inside. If no digit is mentioned here, it means you have to find square root of the number mentioned inside. Here in all these 3 numbers, 3 is mentioned, it means we have to find cube root. So all these numbers are decimal numbers, so first we will convert them into fraction. Okay, so 125 by 1000 plus 8 by 1000 plus 64 by 1000. Okay, now we know 125 is cube of 5 and 1000 is cube of 10, so we can write like this, 5 by 10 cube plus 8 is cube of 2 and 1000 is again cube of 10, we can write like this. Next third term, 64 is cube of 4, again 1000 is cube of 10. All these numbers are perfect decimal numbers. So now 3 and cube root will be cancelled. So what is left now? 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10 and plus 4 by 10. LCM 10, 5 plus 2 plus 4. Your answer is 11 by 10. It means is equal to 1.1. Clear? Next we are going to apply concept of cube root in the word problem. The problem is volume of a cubical box is 0.027 meter cube. We have to find the length of each edge of the box. Edge means side. We have to find this length. So volume of cube is volume of a cubical box is 0.027 meter cube. Let edge is equal to x meter. Now to calculate volume of cube, formula for volume of cube is edge cube or side cube. Thereafter volume of cube x cube, volume is given 0.027. We can write like this, x cube is equal to 0.027. We have to find the length of edge. Edge is in the form of x, but here it is x cube, so we have to cancel this cube. To cancel the cube, we have to take cube root on both sides. Take cube root on both sides. So x cube will be like this, cube root of 0.027. So exponent 3 and root will be cancelled. It will be x only, and here 27 by 1000, and we know 27 is a cube of 3, 1000 is cube of 10. So it can be written like this, 3 by 10 cube. So exponent cancel, x is equal to 3 by 10. It means it is 0.3 meter. So edge of the length of edge of the box is 0.3 meter. This is your answer. All the examples that I have solved in this video are related to your exercise 4.2. Try to solve all the questions yourself. Similar question I have solved in this video. Go through it, and for any query you can ask me via WhatsApp or you can call also. Till then, bye. See you soon.